Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. Firstly, open WhatsApp and tap on the Settings tab at the bottom of your screen or top if you're using Android. Go to Chats, then toggle Save to Photos, then Off. This will stop WhatsApp from adding downloaded pictures or videos to your phone's Photos app. To stop the auto-download of media on WhatsApp, open the app and tap the three-dot menu, then go to Settings, Storage and Data. Under Media Auto-Download, tap each category like when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi and when roaming. For each, and check all boxes, then tap OK. Now WhatsApp won't download any media automatically. You decide what to save by tapping individual files. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.